Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. Enterprise agreements need to pass many tests before Fair Work Australia approves them. Likewise, all employment contracts have to cover the 11 national employment standards. These processes protect workers but often do not suit a company's needs. Fortunately, new laws now allow companies to create flexible agreements in how they approach award conditions and national employment standards. A contract can still comply with the Fair Work Act if an employer can show how it leaves an employee better off. These contracts are known as individual flexibility agreements. An individual flexibility agreement is an employment contract that lets you negotiate responsibilities and incentives that may differ from modern award provisions. Companies can find people that best suit their needs and employees get rewarded. An individual flexibility agreement has to meet what is known as the Better Off Overall test. You must show that the new contract is better than the enterprise agreement and that the employee is comfortable with these changes. No one can pressure an employee to sign a flexibility agreement. You should provide your potential employee with a copy of the enterprise agreement that might usually apply to their position. This helps them make an unpressured, informed decision to sign their new contract. Many conditions within an agreement are subject to the Better Off Overall test. This can include work hours, overtime rates, leave loading, and salary sacrifice. Agreements can also include substituting public holidays for other days off. Anything can be negotiated within the contract as long as it leaves the person better off. A flexibility agreement becomes the employment contract as soon as it is signed. It is then subject to the Fair Work Act. To help ensure your flexibility agreement complies with the Act, RP Emery provides contract templates crafted by experts in employment law. For more information, click on the links below. And if you want to solve simple legal problems, cut costs, and take control of everyday issues, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button.